Hello students, here in this Excel sheet has been downloaded from our ERP system. This dataset is represent the downtime data in our company. Here you can see this is when you come to the headers of this dataset. Here it is machine number and these are the downtime types. Downtime types mean you can consider the electrical breakdown, mechanical breakdown, or machine setting, or job change like that. In here, you can see when I select these all headers, you can see there are 21 number of uh, type of downtime is in this Excel sheet. Right. Now, now you can understand. I will give you a brief introduction about this data set. Here you can see these are the machine number in our company. There were altogether 97 machine is there. Altogether 97 machine is there. For each machine there are some downtimes. Those downtime were allocated into were in those downtime is in this Excel sheet. If you consider about the days, all these numbers is given in the hours. If you consider about the days, 8.55 hours, that means number 77. This is the machine number. The in here it is a 96, it is a machine number. And when it comes to 77 machine, you can see there were 8.5 hours of downtime due to defective film, right? For that machine there were no electrical breakdown, but when here LS mean labor shortage, there were 37.16 hours of labor shortages were there. Right. Now here it is the machine number, and when it come to the machine number, there are few details were added in this machine number. If you think about this one, I will mark it as a yellow color, right? It is come to the formula bar. Once you click on that, that will be your active cell, and all those data in that actual active cell, it is come into this formula bar. You can see here, and this is your machine number. It is 16, and here you can see this is the line number. That means in our production section there were 4 line A, B, C and D. Here you can see line D is there, A is here, and B is there, and C is there. Right, now you can understand in our company there were 4 lines. Those line is in here. It is in the machine number section. All together it's in there. But if you want to analyze this data set, sometimes you might need to separately take this line into another column, right? Before we are going to analyze this data set by using the Excel, let's see what we want to make. Right, in this presentation you can see this is the my lines. That means previously I told you there were 4 lines in our company. Here line A, B, C and D there, and for if we consider the line A, we divided into here. Since I am in the mechanical engineering department, I am worrying about my electrical breakdown, mechanical breakdown, and also machine settings. And also there were another type of breakdown we call MB. Altogether there were 4. Since I am only concerned about these 4, how to analyze, how to take those data from that uh, Excel sheet that we have downloaded from our ERP system. It is this. From this to this we are come, right? Let's see how we can make this by using the Excel sheet. Once you are making these type of charts, you can easily identify which line has more breakdown, which machine have more breakdown. Likewise, you can easily analyze easily can make decision by looking at these charts. That's why I am going to teach you how to summarize those data and how to get those type of graph from this Excel sheet. Right. I will make this from this. Right. Here you can see I need to separately take this data, but I need to first copy this data and take it into another worksheet. Right. If you need to select this whole data set, you can first you have to click your make your active cell in this top corner of the left hand side, and then press shift and control on your keyboard. All together you have to press it, then you have to press arrow mark on the right hand side, then press your arrow mark in downside. Now all those data set were selected. Then you can copy those data set by pressing control and C. Right, you copy those data and make another new worksheet, paste those data set. Right, now I need to add this data set into a table format. Go to table and then here it is the table format, and I am going to select this theme, and then those data sets add into the table format. Since I have headers on my data set, I have to tick on this, then press OK. Right, now my data set is in the table format. Right, now I need to fix my header. Since I am going to view and freeze my plane, I make my active cell in there, then freeze the plane. Now your header doesn't move. Right, then I create another new column and I will make this as the line. Now I need to take my line in there. Just now you have to use the functions given in the Excels to analyze your data in easy way. Right, I am going to press it, use mid, because I am going to take this DOA, that means line letter. I have to take line letter from this text. Right, mid, then this one, then click the relevant relevant cell. Then I need to D letter is in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 character is the D letter, and then put 1. You have to work this time. This if you need to really learn these things, just type different type of number 8 and then type 2, then say what's happening there. Then you can easily understand what is happening when you use these functions in the Excel. Right, now it is very easy. Right, now you have those line numbers, very easy. Right, now I am going to analyze line wise behavior. To easy way to summarize this data set is you can use the pivot table. Right, now all those data in the correct format. Now you can go to insert, and here you can see the pivot table, and just click on that, then press OK. Right, now I am going to analyze the line wise data. Right, this is all the columns are in here. You can use these columns if you want to analyze those data. Right, here I am taking lines to name my rows, and then I am going to take electrical breakdown is there. Right, here you can select what you need to do for that data set. You can take some of those data set, you can take count or average or anything, but here I am taking sum because I need to take whole sum of hours which is relevant to the electrical breakdown. Okay, I click OK. Then I will take MB and MBM, sorry, just drag and drop, then machine setting, just drag and drop, and just otherwise you can make a tick in there. Right, now you will have the data set. Now I am going to copy this data set and paste it here. Right, then if you need to change the column names, you can change this. Just click on the relevant column name and just type your name. Electrical breakdown, and here it is the MB, and then here it is the MBM, and here it is the machine setting. Right, now I am going to make charts by using this data set. Select all those data set and go to insert. Here you can see the charts and click on that. Now you have the charts, but now I think it is you have to change your axis, because I need to take line A, B, C, D into the x-axis. Since you can go to switch, here you can see in the design, here you can see switch row column, then you can click on that. Now you have your chart in correct format. Right, now you need to make this chart beautiful. Right, I need to take this legend top of the chart. Can you see, once you click on this chart, you can see the cross mark in there. You can click on that. Here you can see legend. Where do you want to keep your legend? It is right, top. I would like to keep it on top. Right, you can give the chart title as well. I will select it and I will type breakdown data. Right, now I need to label my charts. Then here you can see data labels. I will make it outside in. Now it is chart is beautiful, right? Now I am going to remove the grid lines, and also I am going to remove the y-axis as well, vertical axis. Right, okay, now you can drag and drop this anywhere you want, and if you need to rotate this, you can click it and then format data labels. You go to this mark and alignments. I will keep my letters in this way. Can you see? You can make this chart beautiful as you want. Right, now I think we made this chart. This is the chart that you want. Likewise, you can do some examples for you to easily understand about the Excel tools. This is the one of the example that I provided you to easily understand the Excel tools, and I have many more examples. Please go through the course contents. Thank you.